Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you some awesome tools that will help you to generate blog titles and headlines. So let's get straight into it. First, we are going to look at the CoSchedule Headline Analyzer. As you can see, this is the website you will go to when you visit the CoSchedule Headline Analyzer. What you want to do is enter your text to begin headline analysis. So this tool is for if you have already written your headlines, and it will analyze different aspects of the headline you have written. So for this example, I have just written a random headline, which I have just randomly thought of: 100 steps to becoming a profitable blogger in 2020. So all you need to do now is hit Analyze Now. Now it is going to analyze your headline, which will give you a score for your headline, and it will take a look at the different types of words you are using. And then we have the headline type, and it is a list, as of course we have put 100, so it is going to be 100 different things, so it's a list. And then we have some headline tips which have popped up just here. There's 3 headline tips you can look at. And then we have a length analysis. So this is an analysis of the length of the structure of the headline you have written. So it's the right length and it's also the right word length. So it's absolutely perfect, the right amount of characters and the right amount of words. Some more tips just here. And then we have first and last. When skimming content, most readers tend to read the first and last 3 words of a headline. The first 3, 100 steps to. The last 3, blogger in 2020. So these are all words which people are going to be reading. Keywords. Headlines should include searchable keywords and phrases so that readers can find your content easily. It's just giving you an example of the keywords which are within the headline. And then we have the sentiment. The headline shows a neutral sentiment. Headlines that convey strong positive or negative emotions do tend to perform better. So that is another tip that it will give you right there. And then we can see what it will look like on Google search results, which is a very awesome little tool it has just here. So before actually making the page, you can see what it's going to look like with the particular heading. And the last thing it shows us is a preview for an email subject line using the headline that we are analyzing. So then we'll get a final score for the headline, which is 61, which is all right, but it can be better. So if you have a look at the different things on here which tell you what can be better, what could be worse, of course the sentiment can be better. If you show either strong positive or strong negative emotions, it will probably have a higher score. And then we also have the different word balance within the headline. So it can also give us some ideas of words that we should be using: powerful words, emotional words, uncommon words, and common words. So this is a great tool to use to analyze your headline before you are actually going to publish it within one of your pages or blog posts. So yeah, I definitely recommend using the CoSchedule Headline Analyzer. The next tool we are going to look at is the Blog Title Generator by Content Majestic. This tool will help you to generate engaging blog titles for your blog posts. All you need to do is enter your keyword in the first box and then choose what type of keyword it is. So we have a generic term, a brand or product, an event, a location, a person's name, or a skill. So I'm going to select it is a skill, and the term I'm going to use is digital marketing. Once you are happy with what you have entered, simply click generate. And now you're going to get loads of different blog title ideas for that particular keyword. So we have 5 different ideas right here. You can read them if you want, but then if you don't like them, you can simply generate more. As you can see, we have 5 more. So that is the blog title generator from Content Majestic. A great way to use these 2 tools together is to use this tool, the blog title generator, to generate a blog title, and then go back over to the CoSchedule Headline Analyzer, paste in the title you have generated, and analyze the blog title. This will help you to, first of all, generate a good title, and then afterwards analyze it to make sure it is the perfect title for your particular post. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.